Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you guys are new here, Merry Christmas guys. Today is Christmas Day. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you celebrate Hanukkah, whatever the case is, Merry, happy holidays. And I hope that you guys are enjoying it with family, friends, whoever it is that you're with right now, and making the best of it, because that's all that we can do right now. I know that I had a really great day today with my family, which is great. And for today's video, I'm actually going to be making homemade sugar cookies. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I figure what better day than Christmas to do it. And so that's what I'm doing today. I found this recipe online, and I have all of the ingredients and icing and cookie cutters and all that stuff. So that's what we are going to be doing today. And this is what it's looking like right now. I got these cookie cutters from Target, I believe. We got some different color icing. I have my rolling pin and then the other ingredients along the way. I am going to, along the way, with like steps and how many of whatever, I'm going to be letting you guys know along the way. I'll leave it here on the screen, and I'll leave it in the description as well if you guys want to check it out and try making your own. If you guys are excited to see and or make sugar cookies with me, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is what we got so far. These are going into the oven for 8 to 9 minutes, and I will show you guys when they come out. Okay, so 2 of the batches are already done. This is what they're looking like right now. They expanded a little weird for some reason, but generally they came out pretty good. So this batch is done and cooled. We're gonna start decorating these. This one just came out of the oven, so we're letting it cool down a little more, and then we will decorate those as well. And then the final batch is in there. So in a few more minutes, it should be done. Alright guys, so all of the cookies are out of the oven now. I was gonna show you guys how we decorated them, like the process of us decorating them, but it was just way too complicated. And it was just not working out for whatever reason. I don't know if it was us or the tools that we had, but it was annoying and very stressful. So we only did a few. We might pick up tomorrow, or I might just leave them like this. I don't know, but this is what we're working with right now. Don't judge too hard because it was a struggle. And if you've ever tried decorating cookies, we're not professionals either, so maybe that's why. But if you've ever tried decorating cookies with these kinds of things, then you know it's not easy at all. But this is what they're looking like right now. These are the few that we actually ended up doing. I attempted to do a Christmas tree, and a snowflake, and a snowman. My mom did a little gingerbread, a little stocking, a little candy cane, and a little snowflake. And then the rest, the massacre, is just, she's like laughing. And then there's these, which we might try again tomorrow, but we'll see, because it was really annoying and stressful. But yeah. I'm actually going to taste one now and let you guys know how they are. Let's do the snowman. I'm going to try the snowman. This is what he's looking like. Whoa! They're nice and soft. I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning, but I just did plain sugar cookies. I put a poll up on my Instagram asking if people preferred sugar cookies or snickerdoodle, and most people voted sugar cookie. So that's what I ended up doing. And it's really good. Wow. I'm genuinely surprised. It was actually a fun process, but the decorating was just not it. Maybe I'll invest in other tools or whatever later on, because I actually do like to bake, but I figured this would be enough for right now, but I guess I was wrong. Pretty good. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, please always make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys have ever baked cookies before, or if you try this recipe, let me know. Comment below. Tag me in your pictures or videos or whatever for it. I would love to check it out. And always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!